Hello everyone, welcome back, and we're going to continue where we left on to dubbing project on ElevenLabs. If you have not watched yesterday's video, please watch it because this is continuation from where we left yesterday. So watch that and then come back to watch this video. Okay, when you open the project, this is how it is going to be shown. So we will have all the details here, and this is an original. If I go to Hindi, then it will show me what was the original one and what is the Hindi one, right? For this, as we can see, okay, it's available over here. Let me click on play.
हमने अपने समुदाय के सदस्यों के लिए चुनौतियां शुरू की हैं और पहली चुनौती जारी है। अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं किया है तो अभी रजिस्टर करें। इस चुनौती के विजेता को हमसे और कई अन्य ग्राहकों से प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा।
Okay, that's similar to my voice, but looks like a bit low in volume. Okay, anyways, now if we want to add new language, what I can do is I can click on plus here and I can choose the language from here. Let's say I'll go with Japanese. Okay, I'll click on add language and it will translate over here. Okay, it's available. Now because we have not yet created audio for it, you can see here it shows stay, right? I can click on generate audio here and that will generate the audio. Let's wait and see how it sounds.
さんこんにちは。私たちはコミュニティメンバーのためにチャレンジを開始しました。最初のチャレンジはすでに始めています。
Okay, I've learned a bit of Japanese, but I could not speak this fluent. Okay, thanks to ElevenLabs. Anyway, so this is how we can add multiple languages. And if you want to add any speakers, we could do that as well, right? So we can add dubbed speaker track, add voiceover track, add SFX track, upload audio, and so on and so forth. So just like we did with audio projects or video project, we can add all of those in the left side. Okay, so background audio is here, foreground audio, if you want, we can add it from here, right? And of course we can also add speakers and so on. So if you want to add one more speaker here, you can click on this one, add dub speaker, and you can see here we've got speaker 2. And okay, let me just expand this a bit so we have a lot of space to play around with. Speaker 2 original, right? Speaker 2 Japanese. And if we go to Hindi, then you'll have speaker 2 Hindi, right? So you can click on this one, add clip, and add it over here, and you can just expand this to whatever you want. Now if you want speaker 2 to be included, then you'll have to give their own script here, and that will be transcribed to Hindi and also Japanese if you need. And of course it should not be together, otherwise it will be like fish market, like everybody is speaking together and stuff like that. So let me just mute this one. So we play only this one for now. I'll click on this.
Hey everyone, hello. We have started with challenges for our community members, and the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register for it. The winner of...
So here in speaker 2, I'm going to add some text. This is great to hear. Thank you for opening up challenges for the community members. Right, and if I click somewhere outside, it will then transcribe to Hindi as well. Okay, because I'm in Hindi right now. And then I can click on generate audio. And once it's ready, I will go to Hindi, speaker 2 Hindi, okay, which is basically this, and I'll click on play. The reason why it is extending so much is because the text is only little, and I've expanded this to the entire 1 minute or like 20 seconds, right? So I have to just reduce this so it fits in well, something like this, and then play it. Okay, this is too little, maybe. I'll have to generate the audio again.
यह सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। जब आप समुदाय के सदस्यों के लिए चुनौती...
Okay, so I'll have to play around with how long this has to be created for. Okay, so I'll disable this. We'll go with this one. and I'll probably reduce this slightly. Something like this. Generate audio, not here. So this is how we can add languages or add another speaker. Okay, we'll have to split this and then make speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 1, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we've already seen that. Now, one of the things that we'll have to keep in mind is if I go to this particular one, speaker 1 in Japanese, and let me just copy this entirely. And if I change anything, right? So if I add a backspace here, so you can see here, this came as staying, right? So I'll have to generate the audio again. Okay, so I'm just going to paste this again. Okay, again, then we'll have stay. So I'll have to generate audio anyways if I make any changes. But keep in mind, if you are going to change anything here, then you have to generate the audio again.
こんにちは。私たちはコミュニティメンバー。
Okay, wait. Okay, now if you go to any of this voice, okay, for example, if I click on settings here, then you can see here voice is clip clone and model is recommended default. Stability it has set to 65%, similarity to 90%, and style to 66%. Okay, if you want to change this, you can also do that. Okay, so for example, if you want the voice to be something else, okay, like Payal, Indian neutral accent, or Ritesh, IVC, comic style female, and so on and so forth, you can choose that and generate the voice in that particular style as well. Okay, you can also play around with stability, similarity, style, and so on and so forth. This is how you can change the voice for the language that you have chosen. Now, if you click on add voiceover track, okay, then it will be added over here, right? So let's click on this one, and here you can again go to edit. You can give a name over here and go to settings, and then you can change the voice that you want. So for example, if I go with let's say Shubham,
The universe of technology is an endless adventure.
I'll select this and let's come back. I'll just copy the same thing from here, copy this, go to this one, add it over here, and of course I'll expand this all the way until here, and I'll click on generate audio. I'll go to original and I'll use this particular option so that I can hear just this one, see generate audio. Okay, so for the speed at which this particular user is speaking, the text that we've given will only come until 17 seconds or so. So let me play this.
Everyone, hello. We have started with challenges for our community members. And if you have not registered, register for it. The winner of this challenge is going to get a project from us and multiple other clients. So if you have not registered, please go ahead. Check the details and register now.
Okay, so you can see that. So you can add multiple voiceovers, you can add multiple dubbed speaker track, you can add SFX tracks. Okay, so if you add this one, unlike the audio and video projects that we saw with SFX track on dubbing, you have to give your prompt here. You cannot select it from the music SFX track that we already had in ElevenLabs. Okay, so you'll have to give a prompt here and then generate the audio. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to delete this from here. Okay, you can also upload the audio from here. As you can see, import audio without speaker, import existing music, sound effects, or background track into your project. Speakers in this tracks won't be detected, so you won't be able to translate or correct them. Okay, so this is something like just music or some sound effects or something like that, and nothing else. Now for this one, you can also actually go to music and download it from here. Okay, so if I go to history, then we had created a couple of them. So let me just, maybe this one. So let's play this. So this is 30 seconds. This is 30 seconds. Let me open this up. Let's see how long is this one. 10 seconds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this from here, and let me do it for MP3. I will go back here. I'll click on upload, and I'm just going to upload this file. So it's just 258 KB and it's uploading right now. So once you upload the file, click on upload. So it gets uploaded and you can see that being added over here, right? So You can loop the clip if you want and just expand it until here. Okay, and let me remove this one. I'll delete this speaker. We have already enough speakers, so I'll just play this.
Everyone, hello. We have started with our challenges for our community members, and the first challenge is
Okay, so that's because I've expanded this music. Ideally, okay, let me delete this again. Let me upload the file once more, and let's just copy the clip and add it over here. Okay, this is how we can do it. This will be better. So I'll just go back here, play this.
everyone, hello. We have started with our challenges for our community combo, and the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register. Hey everyone, hello. We have started with our challenges for our community.
Okay, so loop is on here, and that's why it was happening. Let me update this.
We have started with challenges for our community members, and the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register for it. The winner of this challenge is going to get a project from us and multiple.
So you can see that this music is being played. So let me delete this music, which we added previously. So this is the music that we need. And if you want any foreground or something like that, you can also do that, right? So this is how you can play around with dubbing. One of the things that you can see here is even if I go to Hindi, this particular music that we added, okay, will still remain the same. Okay, even if I go to Japanese, this will remain the same. So only the voice gets changed, but rest of the things like foreground music, background music, or your music that we added, okay, all of that remains same. Only the speaker will change, and that's why the dubbing project makes so much difference. Of course, what you can also do is you can go to ElevenLabs music and ask it to generate a music for 20 seconds, right? And it will generate for you, and then you can upload that directly over here. That can also be done. And of course, if you want to play around, you can also do that. So if you go to original, okay, you go to speaker and you can take it until wherever you want. So let's say, for example,
is already on. If you have not registered, register for it.
now one of the other things that we can see is when we play this,
Everyone, hello. We have started with challenges for our community members.
you see that the sound, the music is too loud, right? So you can click on this and reduce the volume. Okay, let's say, for example, something like this.
And the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register for it. The winner of this challenge is going to get
Right, so again, reduce the volume, okay, whatever you want, and then play.
project from us and multiple other clients. So if you have not,
So you can play around with the volume for each of the elements that we have added. Okay, so background, foreground, the music that we added, or the audio file we uploaded, speaker 1, speaker 2, right? And then you can combine them together and then export it. Now, once everything is ready, you can click on export and then export the original or Hindi or Japanese, and you want to export it as MP4, AAC, MP3, WAV, right? Whichever you want, you can export. And I told you that we can upload it to YouTube, and uploading to YouTube is basically by exporting as MP3 or audio file. Uploading to YouTube is basically by downloading it as audio file and then uploading the dub version onto your YouTube video. And that's all we had with ElevenLabs dubbing. I hope these videos were helpful, and please do give it a try and let me know what was your experience dubbing your voice in different languages or different tone. Share it with others who may need dubbing for their video or audio projects. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.